Prepare for winter camping like never before with our top selection of tent stoves. These compact, efficient, and versatile stoves offer the warmth and convenience you need, ensuring a cozy and memorable camping experience. From titanium-plated excellence to compact portability and stink-free designs, these tent stoves cater to various camping preferences. So, watch the full video and check the links given below in the description for updated prices and information. Number 1 is Fitinhot Camp Wood Stove. The Fitinhot Camp Wood Stove is a standout choice for winter camping, offering a titanium-plated surface that eliminates the initial odor, allowing it to be used directly inside your tent. What sets it apart is the absence of screws for the door glass, which now simply inserts inside the front door, ensuring no leaks or breakage. Highly portable, this stove boasts foldable legs and a side shelf, and it can be easily packed with the chimney pipe and fire hook for convenient transport. Its adjustable damper system regulates airflow and minimizes smoke, making it easy to use with 12-inch logs for warmth. The stove's versatile design includes a flat top for cooking, dual side shelves for ingredients, and even glove and sock drying. It's suitable for various tent types, and its high-temperature resistance glass adds ambience. In terms of functionality, this stove is an all-season wonder, perfect for heating and cooking in compact spaces, turning your winter camping experience into a warm and comfortable retreat. Is TOMOUNT tent stove. This tent stove is an essential addition to any winter camping adventure. Its foldable body and chimney make it compact and highly portable, making it an ideal choice for backpacking and motorcycle camping. This lightweight stove excels in providing warmth, boiling water, brewing coffee, and cooking, all while taking up very little space in your backpack. With dimensions comparable to a laptop, it's designed to be space-saving and easy to transport. Not only does it offer practicality, but it's also built for durability and high-temperature resistance. The fire-resistant glass on the front and sides allows you to enjoy the view of the flames and check the remaining wood easily. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, it's built to last and highly corrosion-resistant. It is the ultimate companion for those who want to enjoy the best of winter camping without sacrificing comfort and convenience. XCMAN Camping Wood Stove. The XCMAN Camping Wood Stove is a testament to durability and practicality, designed for winter camping in mind. Crafted from anti-rust 304 stainless steel, this stove exhibits robust anti-rust and anti-corrosion properties. Notably, it's stink-free right from the first burn, allowing you to use it directly inside your tent. It's an ideal choice for tents equipped with a stovepipe vent and is excellent for both heating and cooking. With 6 interlocking chimney pipe sections, this wood stove is a versatile and reliable companion for camping, backpacking, ice fishing, and hunting trips. Its lockable and detachable stove hot plate cover allows for easy cooking, and the folding shelves on the sides provide functionality for cutlery and even glove and sock drying. Portability is another strong suit of the XCMAN Camping Wood Stove, making it a travel-ready choice for those looking to enjoy winter camping with ease and comfort.